Hey friends, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, your friendly makeup guide this morning, and we are going to do a very quick makeup tutorial to show you how to get out of the door in just a few minutes. So welcome in, say hello. I've already curled my hair this morning. Check out those ringlets using my curl and spin. Check it out. You need this. It makes your life so much easier. Like 15 minutes, whole head is curled. I'll show you the back. So cute. Okay, anyway, I've already done my morning skincare regimen between like brushing my teeth and all the things that you got to do in the morning. I just do my eye cream, brush my teeth, then I do my serum, Chocolo, All Clean Beauty, gonna help with dark spots, redness, tightening, firming your skin. And then I finished off with my super screens after I got my clothes on, and I just do it in layers. So already done. I've also primed this morning with my Magix Prime, and help smooth out any fine lines, blur out those pores, and really just give your face like a clean canvas to work with. So today we are going to do our Magix routine, which is very quick, very easy. If you're not into like heavy makeup, then a tinted moisturizer is a great option for you. So we're going to do our Magix Tint Oil Free in shade Fair Light this morning. And you can do these several different ways. I just choose to use my fingers, kind of like a lotion to apply it. Okay, just don't want it to spill, so I'm just rubbing it in, and seriously, that easy. Just rubbing it on like a lotion, smoothing it out. That is the great thing about a great tinted moisturizer, is that you can just smooth out your skin very simply without a bunch of brushes and all of that good stuff. And it just blurs out all the bad stuff, but you don't have like a heavy layer of makeup on. Hi Jacqueline, good morning. Have you tried the new tinted moisturizers? What are you thinking? Okay, so I've got that smoothed on. I am just gonna check because I'm using my phone with this new light thing going on here. Just making sure it's all blended in well, bringing it down on that neck area. So whenever I have just like a few minutes to get out the door, this is my quickest and most easiest makeup routine because it's not super thick, it's not super heavy. We're going to do Magix Corrector for under the eyes. This is shade Fair Light also, but it's not super heavy, and it's not cumbersome. So if I can do something just quick and easy and get out the door, I'm all about it. There are some days that we just need that quick and easy routine. So if you only are going to use a couple of products, what are your like must-haves? Do you have to have like mascara, lipstick, blush? For me, at least a tinted moisturizer is like a necessity because I like to balance out that complexion. We're gonna do our brows with our brow pencil. Super quick, super easy. I haven't, and I need to. Oh girl, it's so good. You will love it, especially in those warmer climates as it begins to heat up across our nation with summer coming. For sure, a tinted moisturizer is a great thing to have on hand, just to give you that little bit of coverage, but still it's going to kind of smooth out, blur out, all those kind of things. So we are just, so what are your must-haves? Like, I cannot go out the door without mascara, lip gloss. Okay, brows are a must for me. I think I look better with brows that are defined. I don't know if that's just in my mind or what, but it's a must for me. Okay, we're gonna do some Magix Dust and set this look for that matte finish. The good thing I've noticed with the oil-free tinted moisturizer is that it does give a matte finish. We do have the original, which is a little bit more glowy to me. And then we have, which is the natural. And then we have the other one, which to me is a little bit more of a wet look. So just really depending on if you're wanting that dewy look, are you wanting matte, or you just want like a natural. We have all the options in 9 different shades. That is my skincare fridge. Do you hear it humming in the background? That is my skincare fridge. It is so loud. And when I play music, I get copyright issues, so I don't want to do that. We're going to do a Magix or an Eye Quad in Warm Sunrise and just put a little bit of color on these eyes. I'm going to go with one first and cover the lid of my eye here. Maybe. There we go. I've got to clean my brushes tonight. They need to be cleaned so badly. I bet it would be good under a mask. Yes, especially with wearing masks where it's kind of all like, I don't know, you feel like it's all croupy underneath, and masks just, they make me sweat. So for sure a tinted moisturizer would be a great option. And it seems to really stay in place. I'm not having it like melt off, because I'm in this lovely stage of life where sometimes I'm having some little hot flashes. They're not so fun, and everything makes me sweat. I'm going to go in with 2 and do just a little bit of a faux crease, and I'm just going to bring it in and kind of color it in. I'm not doing a super bold eye look today. Just a quick look on the go. There we go. Yes. So must-haves: mascara, tinted moisturizer, and a lipstick are like, if I'm just gonna go run the kids to school, those are like a lip gloss. I don't know necessarily that a lipstick, but those are like my must-haves. And here's the thing, it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to actually put into a look. It can just be a little bit of color and it will make your face pop. All right, let's do our Glimmer Stick eyeliner in Blackest Black. Gotta add some eyeliner to make those eyes pop. I feel like I'm so much closer to you guys, and so my hand is shaking. It is crazy. Do you wear makeup every day? That is a good question. Honestly, if I'm just working from home, especially like on Saturdays, which is like get my house caught up day, I don't even mess with it. But if I've got to go somewhere, I like to feel like I'm put together. Even on days when I just work from home, I do like to feel like I'm put together. Bring that in. Just a little bit. Bomb. How many days a week would you say that you wear makeup? Two days a week, 3 days a week, 5 days a week? Or no days a week? I guess that's an option. No days a week. Okay, let's curl these brows or these lashes and get some mascara on. I don't know why it's like my face is right on the comments. For church on Sundays. Girl, you've got to pull in a few more days than that. You're a beauty guy. You're a beauty mama. All right, love mascara. And the awesome thing about this mascara is if you just did a mascara and a lip gloss, you could really rock your day. and it still look put together. That's the cool thing about a great mascara. It does the work for your eyes. It makes them pop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somebody's trying to reach us. That's okay. There we go. Lashes are done. Liner is done. So those eyes are complete. I'm going to use my Love, Colors of Love Kiss Me Cushion Blush in shade Sweet Tea. It's such a beautiful color. I'll show you. It's so pretty. And you get these cute little puffs and you just pop in. Pat a little color on like watercolor. Look at that. Yes, girl. Surprise birthday bomb. Bam. It's my favorite shade. You're popular today. Oh, they come and they go. Some days I sit here and nobody returns my calls. Okay. Surprise birthday bomb is on. Let's finish off with a setting spray. I'm currently loving the Belief VDL. Spray it all in, let it dry, and that is a very quick, easy makeup tutorial to get you out the door. No extravagant eye looks, no super bold lip, just a simple put together look that, I don't know, helps you get going. Yes, this is my favorite birthday balm. It's so pretty. It is such a pretty shade. And it looks good with all skin tones. So, thanks for getting ready with me. Be sure that you like and follow us on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And be sure and share this video out. Somebody else may need these tips. You can shop with me on your avon.com/jwoolsey and or with the representative that shared this video with you. So, thanks for getting ready. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Let me let you see those curls. Finished look. Yes, girl. Go have a good one. Bye, guys.